guys, congratulations on your new Dinex OneBox. It comes without the DPF fitted. So here I'm going to show you how to install those and put you back out on the road in no time. Now you're all done, ready to install the heat shields and throw that OneBox onto your truck. Pay attention when you install the SCR inlet temperature sensors. To get more accurate readings, the position is different on a Dinex unit compared to the OE. The right position is here, whereas you might be used to it being here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Now hit the road.